Seamless products, as the name suggests, are created through a special production method that greatly reduces or completely eliminates seams, bringing you an unprecedented level of comfort. Whether it's underwear, sportswear, or socks, seamless technology allows us to reach new heights in beauty and comfort. The production process of our seamless products is meticulous, precise, and highly efficient. We knit and cut along preset cutting line on our seamless knitting machines. The seamless fabric comes out as a tube shape, which workers then cut along the preset lines for stitching. In the dyeing process, we employ pre-shrinkage and infrared setting techniques. Post-dyeing, products are automatically sent for dyeing and laser cutting, greatly enhancing efficiency. Our state-of-the-art Santoni machines are a dedicated design team, make rapid prototyping a reality. We have over 40 Santoni machines from 12 inches to 19 inches, ensuring speedy prototyping and order completion. We convert your designs into actual programming in a snap and get to knitting right after quick machine adjustments. And guess what? We complete assembly in just 2 weeks. Seamless products can be made from several materials, such as nylon, polyester, wool, bamboo, and tencel, or we introduce high-tech material such as Thermalite, Coolmax to set temperature regulation, or we introduce different functional branded yarns such as Nilite, cooling nylon, Merrill, Priora, dry yarn, lava, etc. For recycling material, we introduce the biodegradable PA66, recycled nylon, or recycled polyester. If you're interested in our seamless products or want to know more about yarn information, feel free to drop us a private message or comment below. In just 2 weeks, we can transform your design into a first sample prototype. Based on your needs, whether it's lightweight or warm, we can offer you corresponding fabric ratios. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in our seamless products or have any questions, don't hesitate. Contact us right now via WhatsApp or email to request samples. We hope you will like to follow our videos.